Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to one name on Facebook. For this you will have to just open the Facebook app on this Android device or iOS. This solution is it's makes for both. So when it's open you will have to just go to the top right corner of profile icon. When it's open you will have to just open the Facebook settings and privacy. You will have again click to settings and you will click to now account center, and there is profile. You will click to profile, again click to your username profile, and there is the name, and you will have to just remove the last name, and you will have to just space double tap space and it will be able to review change. So you will just click to review change and you will be able to one name on Facebook. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.